everyone, welcome back to science class. This is 8th grade earth science. We're studying chemistry, and today we're going to get our hands on some metals and non-metals, doing a little lab hands-on activity. I want you to pause this video right now and go and look at the comments for it. And there are a couple videos I'd like you to watch prior to this next part. So again, please pause if you were absent today. If you were in class and just watching this for a review, you can continue watching. Welcome back. I trust that you've watched this priming video, kind of reviewing material from yesterday on metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Today, we're looking at physical properties to identify metals and nonmetals. And so the other video you watched was this one for activity 1, where it says metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Some metals are better at transferring this energy than others. Diagram or document on the image the direction the energy is traveling. So remember, this center part was put on the burner. So how is that energy moving? And then in what order did the wax melt? So there was a video for you to watch about this as well, this little tool with different metal spokes. So when we did this, we noticed the copper melted the first, then aluminum, followed by brass, nickel, and iron. And so the heat was moving from the centerpiece out the spoke until it was melting the wax at the end. And what makes something a better conductor is the density of mobile electrons. And mobile here means things that are electrons that are able to move. So if something has more of them, they're able to move and transfer that energy or that heat down the metal more efficiently than the others. Lost my arrow. Now for this one, we'll want to pause again if you are absent or watching this video from home. Take a peek at this picture and try to observe the physical properties. What does it look like? What kind of luster does it have? How does it reflect light? Is it more of a metallic luster or a non-metallic luster? What color is it? This one will be a little bit difficult if you think things are hard or soft if you're at home. Are they corroded or rusted? And then do you anticipate them being magnetic? Then based on what you observe, try to group them into things that are metals and things that are nonmetals. The things we have here are lead, chalk, pyrite, a mineral called galena, magnetite, sulfur, pennies, and another mineral, hematite. Pyrite and is also a mineral. Mr. Roweter is next door hammering on some metal right now as we speak, because metal, as we know, is malleable. So if you hear banging in the background, that's just him. Again, pause this for a second and complete this chart and try to group the samples. Welcome back. Here are the answers that I came up with. I said that lead is a metal, chalk is a nonmetal, pyrite is a metal, galena is a metal, magnetite is a metal, it's also magnetic, sulfur is a nonmetal, a penny is a metal, and the trickiest one I think on there is hematite. It is a metal. This is iron ore. So if you were to look at it with a magnifying glass, you would see the little particles in there. Why don't you go ahead and pause the video again and complete the rest. There's activity 3, where you have to define if the property is due to malleability or ductility, and then the conclusion. So again, please pause this video at this time and then rejoin when you've got those parts done. Welcome back. Here we've got the different parts due to malleability or ductility. A soda can is because it's malleable. Electrical wires due to ductility. House siding, malleability. A wire coat hanger, ductility. A cell phone case because it's malleable. And pipe cleaners due to ductility. There goes Mr. Roweter again. Here you should write a conclusion using these different words. In class, we did a little review in preparation for the lab write-up that will happen in class either tomorrow, Wednesday, or Thursday, depending on when you're going on the field trip. And again, please make sure all your homework assignments for chemistry are completed. Assignments 7 through 9. You've got the lab write-up coming in either tomorrow or Thursday. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.